All right, it's that time of year again. New Year's Eve, it'll be New Year's in about 25 minutes. Got my little fireworks show set up as usual. I always do a little show for New Year's and a lot bigger one for the 4th. Typically always post videos. So, this is what I got this year. This is probably the most I've done for New Year's. This should be a nice little show. I got these on sale. They were running a special like they always do every year, Phantom Fireworks. I'm a Premier member, so I normally get everything half off anyways, but the deal they ran was buy one, get one, or sorry, buy one, get two free, mix and match, so it's 3 for the price of 1. So this is what I got. You're looking at about, with that deal here, I got about 80 something into this. These are just 200 gram repeaters. So I'm going to start out with these red, white, and boom, or blue, or whatever the heck they are, with the Emerald City in the middle. Then it's going to go to the Phantasm and the Colortopia, and then finish it off with some blue willows, and I think these are willows too, yeah. But these should be bigger shots. So it'll all be in a row, and then I'm going to wick. These last two here are wicked really close. This is 15 shot, and this is 7, I think, bigger ones. So hopefully somewhere in the middle of this last one here, this one will go off too and give us a little finale. But anyways, hopefully it turns out good. I think it will. So hopefully it's a hell of a show for the money. Make sure you hit that like button for me, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. If you guys want to see more fireworks that I've done, I do have a firework playlist. Anyways, thanks for watching. Ooh, that was a gun. I hope I don't get shot. Heard fireworks a second ago. Hope I don't blow up the Mustang. Woo! 2 minutes. You put a light on them? Pretty sure that was all of them. Oof, right in the face. That's possible. Yep, it all went off. Cool. Ooh. There's a nice little safety lesson. This is the first time I've ever had this happen. Probably because of the wind. But yeah, they caught on fire. It's been a few minutes. I went inside, looked out the window, and they're on fire. You gotta be careful because you still got gunpowder and shit in them. Can you fill that back up? So that's neat. Never had that happen before. Cool. Sort of. Cool, but not cool. Cool that it's a first good learning experience. We'll get it put out here, though. Alright. 5 minutes later, they're on fire again. This is why they say to dump water on them when you're done. Go ahead. You're supposed to soak them in water to make sure that doesn't happen.